The legendary Audi A6. For decades, A6 has thrived in every Canadian season and ranked as a business-class sedan benchmark. The 8th generation A6, with roots back to the iconic Audi 100, sports more talents than ever before. The latest Audi design language comes enthusiastically to life in the A6. The wide, low single-frame grille integrates with standard LED headlights or available LED matrix design headlights. A unique LED daytime running light design signature also helps to make a dynamic first impression. Sharp lines carve over the hood and defined edges wrap seamlessly around the A6. Muscular contours and quattro blisters, along with a coupe-like silhouette, speak to a sporty nature, while balanced proportions, short overhangs, and a long wheelbase emphasize a perfect blend of form and function. At the rear, an accent strip alludes to the horizontal, wide architecture and provides a link between standard LED taillights with dynamic turn signals. An available light animation feature further demonstrates how Audi is staying ahead as a lighting leader. Audi designs every interior detail with premium purpose. The A6 underscores Audi's leading role in this discipline. Even before A6 displays turn on, the sleek cockpit impresses. Luxury is emphasized by a top digital display that almost vanishes into the gloss black dash, fusing together interior architecture and user interface. With fine wood inlays, the open-pore, near-natural finish blends with decorative trims and harmonizes with the high-tech displays. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive is an unbroken promise across the Audi lineup, in different configurations to suit model requirements. A6 is fitted with Quattro Ultra all-wheel drive. Depending on the drive situation and the drive mode set by the standard Audi Drive Select, torque is managed like only Audi knows how. Torque is proactively distributed to all four wheels, or it is transferred at super speed to the wheels which can use it best. Or interventions are fully removed and torque follows the most efficient path. A 2-liter TFSI engine is well-powered for all drive situations, keeping the Audi faith that high torque is available from low to high RPMs. While the 3-liter model takes the A6 to another performance and technology level. Power and torque are outright sporty, while mild hybrid technology improves start-stop and coasting capabilities. To each engine, A6 mates a 7-speed S-tronic transmission, unlocking efficient, smooth, and sporty performance possibilities. Available dynamic all-wheel steering enables impressive low and high-speed handling and is a great complement to Quattro in this full-size Audi sedan. Digital is everywhere in the Audi A6. Empowering users are the progressive MMI touch response and available Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus. Access, store, and set systems like a smartphone while feeling and hearing the sensory feedback. Natural language voice control provides more usability options and ensures ease of operation. With the A6, you can also streamline functionalities with the standard Audi smartphone interface. With Audi Connect, set travel plans and monitor vehicle status from the comfort of home. Access weather, points of interest, and other valuable information en route in real time, and enhance navigation with satellite imagery. Ambient lighting with a range of 30 colors places custom interior delight at your fingertips, while the touch of a button brings the available Bang & Olufsen advanced 3D sound system to life. Up to 24 sensors serve a driver assistance suite that makes the A6 stand out. This includes next-generation Active Cruise Assist, an evolution of adaptive cruise control that incorporates Audi Active Lane Assist for greater convenience, and Turn Assist, which monitors oncoming traffic during left turns. All seats in the A6 offer exceptional comfort, even for longer journeys, while rear passengers benefit from the full-size sedan's ample leg and headroom. A drag coefficient of just 0.24 helps provide outstanding vehicle acoustics for added comfort while also enhancing fuel economy. The ample room provided by the A6 extends to the cargo area with an impressive 530 liters of capacity, contributing to the utility of this luxury sedan. The A6 model family includes more talented models with special versatility, design, and sporty appeal. The A6 Allroad combines avant functionality with exclusive styling and elevated ground clearance to satisfy active lifestyles. The Audi A6 delivers more exciting performance possibilities from its 2.9-liter TFSI engine, mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and standard Quattro all-wheel drive. The Audi A6 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For the ultimate performance enthusiast, the RS6 Avant stands out from the crowd. Wider in both body and track, along with standard 21-inch wheels, the RS6 Avant is larger than life in every way. The performance stats speak for themselves. 8 twin turbocharged cylinders, under 4 seconds 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and 591 horsepower. There's more to explore in the Audi A6. Hallmark Audi design, thoughtful details, unmistakable presence, talented performance. The A6 is a multi-talented leader in the full-size premium segment.